In front of me is BLACKVIEW A60 Pro, and let me show you how to check total screen time on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select digital well-being and parental controls. Now mark show your data under your digital well-being tools. And here you will find the stats. So here you've got some general information, but if you'd like to reach some further details, just click in the middle of the circle. And here you've got it. So as you can see, here you've got each day and a bit lower each app. And for example, camera have been in use for 5 minutes today, Google Chrome also for 5 minutes, and you've got here all apps. You can smoothly enroll it and check everything. And then if you'll click on some other day, once you use your device on other days, you'll be able to check everything here. And this is it, that would be all. This is how you can check total screen time in your BLACKVIEW A60 Pro. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.